Built as an open, largely unregulated system, the Internet reflected an assumption that the people using it would be trustworthy. The Internet's openness is its greatest strength, but it has also become its greatest vulnerability.
As long as you are connected to the network, there is a threat.
Cybersecurity threatens every strata of society.
The total dollar value of the illegal information traded is somewhere north of $600 billion.
High-tech criminals are launching more than 100 attacks a second on the world's computers, setting up botnets, networks of hijacked PCs that can be used to send spam or be plundered for lucrative personal data. In 2009, Symantec, the world's largest security software company, saw almost 7 million PCs that were members of botnets.
A criminal in one part of the world can take control of computers in other parts of the world to launch their attack.
And the malicious networks are proliferating rapidly, putting the whole Internet at risk.
Most individuals and most corporations don't know the extent to which they've been compromised and have bots within their environment. And in fact, they don't find out until after they have been used to mount an attack on somebody else.
Most botnets today are used to distribute spam, but botnets can be put to far darker purposes, including cyber espionage and cyber terrorism.
We have seen increasing evidence of terrorists trying to equip themselves with IT skills. No longer are they just financially motivated, they are sometimes politically motivated to cause mayhem and chaos.
We've seen cases of Estonia, we've seen numerous botnets over the past few years that lead us to the point to say that there is a potential of a cyber war.
One of ITU's fundamental roles is to build confidence and security into information and communication technologies. ITU came up with a coordinated global action plan and launched the Global Cybersecurity Agenda. The operating arm of this framework is Impact, the foremost cyber threat resource centre in the world.
We are a coalition to act as a platform for governments to interact, but in addition to that, to also bring in the different stakeholders that can assist governments in the world to secure this network.
We created a collaboration platform. We encourage most countries to nominate their cybersecurity experts, the law enforcement agencies, the regulatory authorities, and the whole idea was to create an ecosystem of empowered individuals who could actually do something in case of a problem.
It allows us to share the intelligence that we are individually gathering and therefore have a more informed point of view around what's happening in the threat landscape.
This is a global problem. It can only be addressed at a global level. We need to avoid cyber wars.